Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I got a little quick unbagging here for you. And let's go ahead and get it. Fortunately, this has we'll see how well it works. It has one of these zipper things on it, so I had a feeling they're going to have to put the label right over the zipper opener so it doesn't work right. There we go. Yeah, all right, before I pull it out of here, on Saturday afternoon's live stream with Shadow Scout Swede and the um, the Sofa Survivalist and World Survivalist. We were talking about skills and stuff, and we got on to orienteering, land navigation and stuff. And then I realized, crap, I still haven't gotten a nice atlas for the state of Idaho. So I went and got myself a rather, this is the cheapest one. It's a road and recreation atlas for Idaho. So it has, not only all the roads, but has all sorts of other cool things in it here. So got landscape, and then it's got recreation. Let's see if I can get it here to show it here. So this this 2/3 of it is the landscape maps and stuff, three-dimensional type stuff for the state. And this is recreation, and it has a bunch of cool things in it. And heck, it opened up the right spot here. So we got Idaho Falls here, Blackfoot, Shell. Oh wait, there's Basalt. There's where I live. So yeah, got all. It's really cool. It has all the major routes and all the dirt trails and stuff, and national forest roads and stuff on it. So really cool here. So this is going to be something that I'll be using for several things. One, find out where all the cool things are to go around when the wife comes up here, so we can go to some of these recreational things going on around here and find out all the cool stuff. And it's got other things in it. It has climate information for it. Climate information on each of the pages here. So anyway, so that's what I got. And yeah, if you don't have one for your state, go ahead and get one. They're really cool, and it'll help you out because your GPS on your phone or your Garmin for your car or whatever, there's a problem with the system, it ain't going to work. So you need to have some way of getting around. All right, take care, and I'll see you around.